Assalamu alaikum everyone, Ramadan Mubarak, Alhamdulillah. Yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is featuring a DIY, do-it-yourself soap bubble Islamic art. Let's get started. Now you can use store-bought bubbles, but I'm gonna make my own. Add fairy liquid, hand soap, foaming, makes the mixture thick, a packet of sugar, some clear glue, finally just add some water and mix very well. Now I have 4 cups here. I'm gonna separate it into 4. So I'm going to add different colors to each. I'm going to use food colors. You can use watercolors if you want, but the food colors will really give a vibrant color, very intense colors. And you need to just add a few drops. So burgundy, orange, yellow, and blue. Mix all these very well. Okay, so these are ready. You can use one straw or a bunch of straws. Like here, they're taped together, and just go for it. It's fun to paint and it's fun to blow bubbles, so it's no wonder that painting with soap bubbles is twice the fun. Bubble art has a great look and texture with no two paintings ever looking alike. The design comes from the bubbles popping on paper, giving new meaning to the term pop art. Let them burst on their own. Most of the materials that you'll need to make this Islamic soap bubble art can be found around the house, so no worries. Let this dry. I have my bubble gun. Burst the bubble. Burst. So you can decorate it any way you want. Now I'm just gonna let this dry and we'll go on to the next part of this activity. So the background is drying. We will do what we're gonna put on top of the background. I have this glitter foam sheet. It has the peel and it's sticky, so you can add them to many surfaces, different surfaces. I have printed out the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm just gonna paste it here and I'm gonna cut, so this will have, yeah, this will be all glitter. Okay, Peel off the backing paper and stick the glitter foam lettering onto the background. You can make your own instant DIY glitter Arabic letters. Put some glue on your finger or your brush, put it on and sprinkle generously with glitter immediately. Leave it to dry. After that, just shake off the excess, and there you have it. You have instant glitter letters. Here is design number 1. Design number 2, design number 3. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post. Leave a constructive comment and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.